These levels decide direction. Everything else is noise. USD JPY. USD JPY on the weekly is bearish. Why is bearish? Because this is our lower high and this is our lower low. If we drop down to the daily time frame, the daily time frame is bearish. This is our lower high and this is our lower low. We're gonna go drop down to the 4-hour time frame and we see where the 4 hour is at. The 4 hour is bullish. This is our higher high and this is our higher low. What I'm expecting for this market to do this week is have a break below this zone right here, retest to make lower lows and lower high. If we don't have this break below our structure zone, we could expect for this to have a little pullback into this zone to continue making new higher high and higher low, shifting this market from bearish to bullish. So these are the only two things I'll be looking for this market to do this week. Next we had JBP USD. JBP USD on the weekly time frame is bullish. Why is bullish? This is our higher low and this is our higher high. If we drop down to the daily time frame and we see where the daily is at, the daily is bullish. This is our higher low and this is our higher high. We drop down to the 4 hour and we see where the 4 hour is at. The 4 hour is bullish as well. Why? This is our higher low and this is our higher high. What I'm expecting for this market to do is have a little pullback in this zone right here, give me confirmation to take this trade to continue the upside. This is the only thing I'm looking for JBP USD to do this week. Last but not least, we have gold. Gold on the weekly time frame is bullish, with this being our higher low, this being our higher high. If we drop down to the daily time frame and we see where the daily is at, the daily is bullish. Why is bullish? Because this is our higher high and this is our higher low. If we drop down to the 4 hour time frame and we see what the 4 hour is doing, the 4 hour is bullish, with this being our higher low and this being our higher high. What I'm expecting for gold to do this week to continue the uptrend is for it to have a break above this zone, retest, give me a confirmation of this zone to continue the uptrend. This is the only thing I'm expecting for gold to do this week. If you guys found value in this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I post weekly breakdown videos like this. See you guys on the next one.